Hi everyone, hope you're well. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about this concept of sexual hunger and skin hunger. And in this day and age, this time that we're living in, which is full of social isolation, with the pandemic taking us apart, cities not giving us opportunities to touch others consensually, even in terms of hugs or just touching somebody's hand while walking down the road, simple skin related things like that. There is a very big lack that we are feeling in the consciousness about satisfying this hunger. So hence you see people baking, people creating a lot of food objects to satisfy this, essentially what is a skin hunger. And I just wanted to speak to some of you who have been messaging me saying that they feel incredibly hopeless, desperate, isolated in their circumstances where there is nobody to touch. And here's the interesting part about skin hunger. Of course, skin hunger can be solved, but if you have like a great loving relationship and your partner gives you massages every day and orgasms every day and you do the same for them. But that's pretty temporary. And as a holistic human being, Ayurveda, Siddha, these practices in our system believe that you can actually apply things on your body. You can actually reconnect with your own self and satisfy and satiate your own need for skin hunger, your own desire for touch by, combing your hair a certain way, by applying lotion on your body ritualistically, by masturbating, by using sex toys which really nourish you from the inside without feeling like, for example, the jade eggs and other things that I've mentioned before. More like heavier sex toys which give a feeling of fullness versus this fast, like orgasm driven, sex toys. So there are many ways to satisfy skin hunger and self nourishment. And I hope that you can allow yourself some time to feel less shame as we're approaching, what is essentially year 2 of social isolation, of social lack of touch. And if you're finding yourself reaching for a lot of sweet foods or fatty foods, try not judging yourself for it. Of course, hold yourself accountable if you want to be healthier, whatever your version of healthy is. But try seeing it as your body's need for affection, your heart's desire to feel nourished. And find ways to do that for yourself, because if you can do it at this time, then the times to come, hopefully, will be easier, because you'll be able to do this for many others without feeling like you have been deprived of a specific kind of skin hunger need. Okay, I hope this makes sense. This was my nugget for today. Have a lovely week.